So I frequently get asked, is title insurance really worth it? Well, let me tell you why it can save you time, stress, and money when you're selling a home. Most people don't think about title insurance or think they need it while they own their home. And the truth is, most people won't. However, in about 15 to 20% of our closings, we run into title issues, like unreleased mortgages, and these can cause major delays and extra costs when it's time to sell your home. Today I'll explain why title insurance can make a big difference when things go wrong. One of the most common problems that arise during the sale of a home is the unreleased mortgage. This happens when you have a mortgage you thought you paid off, or you did pay off, but it stays on the land records as being active. While this might only happen in 15 to 20% of closings, when it does, it causes a serious hassle. If you don't have title insurance, you will need to work with your attorney to track down the missing paperwork, get it released from the land records, and clear title. This process can be time-consuming, often requiring a back and forth with the lender and incurring additional fees for your attorney, additional days of interest, and additional days of property tax. We've seen this happen often enough to know it's not an easy fix. In one case, a client closing was delayed for 2 months as we tracked down the proper release. If you don't have title insurance, it's becoming your responsibility, and the costs add up quickly. Having title insurance, on the other hand, takes the burden off of your shoulders and puts it on the title insurance company. They need to resolve this issue so you can avoid delays, additional costs, and the risks that a buyer might walk away from the deal altogether. While the chances of encountering a title issue like this may not be very high, the impact is significant, and title insurance provides a more efficient way to deal with this and ensures that your closing stays on track, which is the most important thing. So is title insurance really worth it? You tell me. Even though it's unlikely most people will ever need it, for those 15 to 20% of people who do, it is a lifesaver. If you want to learn more about title insurance and how it can protect you, give us a call. Or if you just want somebody that's going to do an awesome job in your closing, think of us.